Hi, Adrienne here. In this video, I would like to talk to you about how to get your first 100 subscribers on YouTube. Now, to get your first 100 subscribers, you need to create videos that are helpful, interesting to your audience. So this is the first step, to choose a topic that people are interested in. This is the surest way to get your first 100 subscribers. Choose something that they are interested in or something that you are helping them with. Helpful tutorial videos are really great to get your subscribers, because you are helping other people with it, and people will subscribe to you if you are helping them out, because they want to get more. They want you to help them a bit more with other videos, so they will come back to your channel, they will come back to watch your other videos. And the second thing, to be sure to get you the subscribers you would like to get, is to make sure to get your title, your video title firsthand, and make sure that you have your key phrases, your keywords in your title. So before you make your video, decide on the topic and make a search on YouTube to check which keywords are relevant and which keywords people are searching for, so that once you have made your video, then the people will be searching for that topic that you are making your video of. So make sure that you have your title with keywords. This is the second thing. And the third step is to fill out your video description. You have a lot of space to write. Make a long description that tells the users, the viewers, what your video is all about. You can use your keywords in this text. This will help your video to be, people will be able to find your video in the YouTube search, and this means more people will see your video and more people will subscribe to your video. So write your description as long as possible and put your keywords into the text. After that, make sure that you fill out the tags and use your keywords in the text. Use as much keywords as you are able to use. Try to write down keywords as much as possible from all angles. Try to get as much words as possible that describes your video well, and try to get keywords that people are searching for. The next step is to make your thumbnail clickable, because once you have your basics done, so that your video is done, your title is something that people search for, you have your keywords, then the next thing will be that once people see your video appearing in the search results, they click on it, and they will click on it if your thumbnail is readable, it is something that catch their eyes. So this is very important, that your thumbnails tells this story, that it looks interesting, it looks it has that look that will make people click on your videos. And if you can manage this, then people will click on your videos, watch your video, and if your video is really helpful and interesting, then they will watch it till the end, and they will want more, and they will subscribe, and you will get your first 100 YouTube subscribers very easily. Now, what else can you do? You can also share your video with as much people as you can. For example, you can share it on Facebook, in Facebook groups with your friends. You can share it on Twitter, on Instagram, or any other platform you are on. The more people you share your videos with, the better, because more people will watching your videos. The video YouTube algorithms will show your video to more people. It will end up in search results at the beginning, so more you will reach more people with it. If your thumbnails are right, then more people will click on them. So you understand what I am trying to say here, that the basics, if the basics are done, then people will watch your videos and they will want to get more, and they will come back to get more of your videos, and then you will have your subscribers pretty fast. So this is how you can get your first 100 YouTube subscribers. Thank you so much for watching this video, to listening to me. Have a beautiful day and see you in the next one. Bye bye.